call an ambulance?
No. I ain't gonna call them.
Well, if you're dying, you need to go somewhere. No. Now, if you're going to talk hateful to me, I'm not coming up there. If you're going to talk hateful and smart to me, I'm not coming up there. Well, are you sick or are you just drinking? Orbin? Are you alright? Well, here, let me see you.
Who is that?
April and Caitlin.
Oh, April. All three of you.
All three of us.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy's
No,
right.
I've lost it.
You'll never find it again, I'm sure.
Who are you?
I don't know who I am. You know who I am?
Yeah. No, I don't know you.
Take your hat off.
Where you at?
I don't know. You look pale. There ain't nothing wrong with you. You ain't dying.
I ain't.
Mm-mm.
Well, that's good. I went out in this trailer a while ago after something.
What are you drinking?
That's a damn thing. I wish I had a drink.
Well,
No, I'm not lying to you. Have you gained weight? I don't know what's wrong with you. Ain't everything right up on the hill.
let's sing it.
Hey. Now I got you.
Now, go ahead.
No, that damn Donald Jones. I went over there with him, man, lying to you. I don't know what's wrong with you.
White Oak.
I don't know which one's the purpose.
Sing.
Oh, boy.
Did you find?
Oh, I told you. My ribs. You know what?
No. Are
Well,
you?
I don't know you.
Well, you called the dispatch and
No.
said you wanted you.
Don't want to know you.
Well, good. You called dispatch and said.
Oh, boy, I wish I had something.
What you want
Do
to tell
this.
me?
No, I'm not lying to you. I'm serious.
Are
You serious?
What are you?
I heard from my backyard plum Harley Hatton. Oh, that is my name.
Well, where's Orbin at?
Damn, he's in Florida somewhere.
Hey, you want to go to Florida?
Let's go.
You want to fly on a plane?
No, hell, I wouldn't get up in that hour. Lovely. Forget I live down here.
You would never know. I'd give you a couple of drinks. You would never know any better.
Boy, you got a drink.
No.
Hey, what you do?
Are you dying? You think you're dying?
I don't feel like I'm flying.
Oh, I thought you said you was
Somewhere.
dying.
I don't know which one's the prettiest. Oh, she is. Who is that?
When I was a little boy, come 14,
Oh, yeah. Climb a tree backwards.
had an old hound
You
dog.
can't climb. You got something in there?
Yep, it'll bite you.
Oh. Honey, listen, I'm gonna lie to you.
Well, where's your alcohol at?
Ain't got none.
Yeah, you got some.
Sure ain't.
You ain't got none hen in
Hell,
here?
I tried to put them pants on and they, I don't know what's wrong with them, too long.
Where is your stash?
Huh?
Where is your little stash? Drink it.
Hey, Caleb. Oh boy, I feel awful. If I had a, hey, I've got the money. If I had a one little half pint, it'd sure help me.
I bet it would.
Chasing, if I had a half a pint,
Well, what'd you do with that liquor that's up here the other
it'd
day?
help me if I had a drink.
Me and you traded for the some
I've
liquor.
been this way before. Went up on the ridge.
Them
I
your
lost
natural
my-
teeth.
Got my natural teeth. Hell no, I lost mine 25 years ago.
Holly's
some feller,
got some over there.
some
if you wanna
feller hit
use
me in the
them.
mouth and there was. Had to pull them off. Oh, shit.
Bobby's got some over there if you want to borrow them.
Hell, his teeth won't help me. Or fit me. That April. So it gets right dry.
Does it? What do you drink?
I ain't drunk enough liquor to hurt me.
You think?
What's your name?
pudding time.
Yeah.
I got a little 22 pistol here, and I don't want one with it.
No.
If I could find it, I wouldn't be in this
Get up
shape.
to, just look around, see stuff.
Boy, I get sicker all the time.
Well, you ain't gonna die, are you?
I don't know.
Well, we're gonna go home.
No, go down there and get me a half pint. It sure help me.
Smile.
Forget
Show me
it.
your teeth.
Boy, you got pretty teeth, April.
Show me your teeth.
No, I'm going to walk over at that. Boy,
Might
she
go to
looks
jail,
awful.
too.
Hey, will you?
You what?
This down there and back. It won't take you a half hour.
No.
Not that one. Okay, I'll just go.
You, okay. Well, I'll tell you what. You just start going. Because you know what's going to happen if you get caught.
Oh.
I
Will you-
said, did you hear
Hey, I
me?
tell you what. I tell her to run and go down there and get me.
Where's your alcohol at?
Got done.
Now, brown pal.
I'm telling you the truth.
Lord, this refrigerator's nasty. Here, you got beer in here.
Oh, what?
You got some beer in here.
Oh.
Well, you feeling fine now, ain't you?
You're gonna
Huh?
have clean. You're gonna have
Well, I'm
clean
down.
stuff
Pine ain't
out.
April.
Yeah.
Boy, I hurt my stomach. I feel like I've been hit by a freight train.
Look, you hear me?
Where's Miles?
I don't know. He's with his girlfriend.
Oh, boy, I wouldn't have her.
Well, you said the other day she's pretty. Thank you.
It's made. Maybe that's what hurt me.
No, that's still good.
Drink it. Take your drink.
Hey, there's a... Did you ever see a tater that big?
Wow. Look at that tater.
Tater.
Wow.
Hello.
What?
Damn laws are calling her.
Yep,
Yeah.
they're coming to get you.
They play
Orbin,
hell.
you're gonna be all right.
No, I'm not. I don't like this damn shit.
Finish it off.
Got a June bug in it.
Boy, you got all kinds of records.
What's a June bug?
Where'd you get all these records at?
Oh, boy. Them's worth no telling what. Around standing, all of them's in there. I bet you there's 75 records there.
Jerry Lee Lewis.
Oh, boy, did he lose his ones? Hey, just the hell it'd take. Oh, boy, I'm sure I'd have to have a drink. Well, God darn, the lid's going on it.
The lid's right there.
Who's that? Hell, Paul Mullen. Did you?
Jerry Reed.
I was me right up there. I was playing
That
my
ain't you.
Well, God darn, what's he doing
The
now?
Everly Brothers.
Say, you can't tell her nothing.
What are you doing?
When you turn that thing on, it comes through there and...
Hey, turn that out. You're gonna lose all your heat. If it comes a blizzard, you ain't
Oh,
gonna
oh.
have no.
Feel like I feel like my neck's been broke.
Maybe it has.
No, go get me a...
No, I ain't going now. I'm going home. It's 8 o'clock.
Sing.
Sing a song. Come on, let's sing outside.
Oh, baloney. I ate a piece of bologna and felt